So here we have the man, the myth, the legend, Tristan, in the Great Hall closet, where the amp is for those small speakers, tin cans as Tim says. And basically all you gotta do is turn it on with the power button on the front and the switch in the back right next to that power cable, the blue port. And there's an XLR run that goes to a dual XLR cable, usually connected or coiled up in the closet. Run it all the way around the room and to the back to the QSC soundboard. Right there. Alright, so back here we have the soundboard, QSC TouchMix 16. There's the main left, main right. You're going to take the cable that went from the amp in the closet, ran all the way around the room, and plug them into the board. So I sped up the video a little bit, but here we are going upstairs in Great Hall, where we are going to drop the recording mic lines. Wrap them twice around 2 poles here, so you can release some tension and not drop the cable all the way down, just as a safety precaution. Make sure you get the knots out of your cable, get a good amount of slack, drop them in between the railings, down to whoever's downstairs. Tim is obviously paying attention, so slowly lower it down, and the person at the board can plug them into their ports. Look at that, trusty Tristan. So finally here we have the hard drive that you just plug into the USB port on the back of the TouchMix. You can see it there. And then that allows you to record straight out of the sound board into the hard drive, where you can even do 16-track recording or just some mono send or an aux channel, whatever you choose.